Can a baby who's been diagnosed with CP have, a long life? Or can they have a high quality life given their circumstances? Want to know what I'm getting at here? Stay with me as I share with you this very important information. Hello, I'm Marcus Boston, and I'm a childbirth injury and medical malpractice attorney practicing law in the state of Maryland, and I would like to talk with you today about that question, because that question was, that was posed to me by an individual who had a child who had been recently diagnosed with CP, and that was the question on, this particular family member. This was what was on their mind. And I'm shooting this video today because the way the question was asked of me, dealing with the baby's quality of life as that child gets older, how the question was posed to me, it made me kind of think about, are there other individuals that have this same question? And so I would like to just talk with you today quickly about how, childbirth injury or birth trauma attorneys, how we go about ensuring that our clients, that the babies that we represent, how they can live the best life that they can. And how we do that is we use specific tools. And I've talked about Lifecare plans in other videos before, but I'm going to incorporate it into this video that is talking about quality of life. And so what these Lifecare plans are is they are plans that are put together by specialists, by professionals who have experience in writing these plans. And what they do is this Lifecare planner will come out. We use, as attorneys, we use these Lifecare planners because we have them to go out and to talk with the family. They look at the medical records. They take a look at what the baby may need or what the baby is going to need going into the future. And not only are they looking at, from the time the baby is a baby, but as the baby gets older, begin to get into that age, 10 years old, 15, 20 plus years old. So this professional is going to take a look at all of that, and let's say, for example, they go out to a home. The home can be multi-level. Let's say, the parents had a multi-level home. And now with the CP issue now, the baby may not be walking right now, or there may, be a wheelchair may be needed or other devices to help the child as the child goes along. And this Lifecare plan will take that into consideration. The medical devices that may be needed, the wheelchairs or, walkers and certain things like that. It will take things like that into consideration. And not only will it take those types of things into consideration, it will also look at housing and other things. Remember, I said that this house was a multi-level house. This could be a serious issue for a child that has a wheelchair. Trying to go up and down steps and things like that, that may not be feasible. So the Lifecare plan may take into consideration either retrofitting the house or even maybe possibly getting the family into another house, a ranch where where it's flat and the baby can move around that way. So this Lifecare plan is a really important tool. Not only is it going to look at things like that, but even other types of treatment, schooling that the child may need as the child gets older. That Lifecare plan is going to incorporate these important aspects of the child's life. And it's important to me because this is how attorneys go about helping that child live the best life that they can, or have the highest quality of life that is possible for them, in their situation. And so that's the purpose of today's video, is to help you understand how, attorneys go about helping children like this who've been diagnosed with CP. And this is a serious concern by mothers and fathers about their child, not only the life expectancy aspect of it, but the quality of life. And I just want to give you insight as to how attorneys go about, making sure that this child can have the best quality life that is possible. If you have questions about your baby's CP diagnosis, maybe you're watching this video today because what brought you here is because of your concerns for what your baby is going to be dealing with in the future. You know, like I had one mother tell me, Mr. Boston, I'm not going to be here all the time. You know, I'm not going to be here forever. And what is going to be in place for my baby after I'm gone? If you have these types of questions and you would like to speak with someone about this is what I invite you to do. And remember, taking this next action, it costs you absolutely nothing. And what is that action? Go ahead and pick up the phone and give me a call. I can be reached at 301-850-4832. You can also reach me toll free at 1-833-4BABY-HELP. If you would prefer to send me an email first, that's okay. You can reach me by email at medicalinjury@bostonlawllc.com. I answer, birth injury. I talk with parents all the time about childbirth injuries, brain injuries, things like that. I talk with parents all the time about it, and I'll be happy to take some time and listen to your story. All right, that's going to be it for today's quick educational video. Again, I'm Marcus Boston, and I'm one of the childbirth injury and medical malpractice attorneys practicing law at Boston Law Group, LLC in the state of Maryland. And we will see you next time. Take care and enjoy the rest of your day.